In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track links in Google Analytics. Understanding how your users interact with the links on your website is crucial for optimizing your online content and ensuring its effectiveness. So, let's dive into the steps that will help you track these links using Google Analytics 4. First, you'll want to open your GA4 account and head over to the Reports section. Once you're there, navigate to Engagement, and within that, find Events. This is where all your interaction data is stored, so it's the best place to start when you're looking to track how often specific events like clicks are happening. Here, you'll be looking for the click event. This event is automatically tracked in GA4 if you have enhanced measurement enabled, meaning Google Analytics has already done some of the setup work for you. After locating the click event, you'll need to utilize the link/URL dimension. This dimension is not always predefined in your reports, so you might need to set it up as a custom dimension if it's not already available. The link URL dimension allows you to see exactly which URLs have been clicked by your users. It's an incredibly powerful tool, as it gives you a clear view of what specific links on your site are generating the most engagement. By analyzing this information, you can discern which content is most appealing to your visitors and potentially pinpoint areas that might need improvement. For those of you looking for a deeper analysis, GA4 offers a robust feature called Explore. Within Explore, you'll find Exploration, which is perfect for a more customized examination of your data. Here, you can apply filters to refine your analysis. You'll want to set the event name to Click and ensure that you filter for outbound clicks. This means you'll be focusing specifically on those links that take users away from your site, which can be particularly useful if you're monitoring external links for affiliate marketing or partnership purposes. Now, within this exploration area, you can add various metrics and dimensions to further enrich your understanding. Consider adding metrics like event count, which gives you a numeric representation of how often these click events occur. Combine this with dimensions like link URL to maintain the specific focus on where these clicks are happening on your site. You might also find it helpful to add page location, which tells you the specific pages where the clicks are happening, giving you context about where your users are engaging the most within your content. That wraps up our guide to tracking links in Google Analytics using GA4. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable insights that can help you optimize your website and enhance user engagement. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed, and with practice, you'll be able to use Google Analytics with confidence to track and analyze your users' journeys throughout your site. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.